Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Vlookup. It's a very useful function if you're handling a large data or looking for specific value or information in the table. For example, in this case, I want to I want to find out the value from this table. Okay, so I'm going to use Vlookup for that. So type Vlookup, Vlookup here. Then select the value you want to look up. Select this, comma, and range where you want to look up the value. And remember, the lookup value should always be in the first column in the range for lookup to work correctly. For example, in this case, lookup value is in the cell E7. Then your range should start from E. So my range is starting from E to I. Now as I specify E to I as a range, so count E as a first column, F as a second, G as a third, H as a fourth, and I as a fifth. And I want to return value from this column. So type 5, comma, 0, close the bracket. See, so this value is 414. And now if I want to change this, so it automatically changed the number here. Okay, see, this is so simple. And now if you want to learn about how we find the number from the array table, so let's wait for my next video. Thank you.